the students of all the grade 7 and grade 8 students to please proceed here on our gymnasium to watch the coordinating activity of our SPFL learners. Calling the attention of the advisors of grade 7 and grade 8. Okay, thank you so much. You may also proceed here po sa ating gymnasium with the learners.